So today I will introduce the concept of quantum statistics. Okay, already you have covered the classical statistics in which Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution function was studied. In the quantum statistics, there are two types of statistical distribution function. The distribution of quantum particles in different available states can be specified by quantum statistics. Okay, quantum particles means electrons, photons, then neutrons, protons, they are all quantum particles. So most of the elementary particles are called as quantum particles. So in quantum statistics, there are two quantum statistical distribution functions. One is Bose-Einstein statistics, another one is Fermi-Dirac statistics. So two distribution functions are there. So in classical statistics, namely the Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics, the particles have been considered as distinguishable from each other. That is one of the major assumptions in MB statistics. And particles are non-interacting. So one more point we have considered is the particles are non-interacting and they are distinguishable. They are completely different from one another. And also there is no restriction on a number of particles to occupy the given state. In a given state, any number of particles can be found. Okay. For example, in the E1 state, 1000 particles may be found. In E2, 500 particles. So whatever may be the number of particles, that doesn't matter in classical statistics. But there is a difference in quantum statistics. But in the system of elementary particles, such as photons, electrons, etc., the particles cannot be distinguished from each other. Okay, the particles cannot be distinguished from each other. So they are exactly identical. Okay, so particles are exactly identical. Because of that, they are not distinguishable. So the classical statistics fails in this particular system because particles are not at all distinguishable. They are indistinguishable. Difference gottagodilla anta. They are exactly identical. They are same to same. Okay. This lead to the development of quantum statistics in which the particles are indistinguishable. So mainly in quantum statistics, the particles are indistinguishable. Okay. So in classical statistics, the particles are distinguishable. They are different from one another. In quantum statistics, the particles are indistinguishable. They are exactly identical. Therefore, the quantum statistics is applicable for the system of indistinguishable particles. Okay. Indistinguishable means what? All the particles are exactly same. They are identical. There is no difference between them. So such particles are called as indistinguishable particle. Okay. Distinguishable means they are different from one another. Okay. Particle 1, particle 2, they are exactly not same. They are different. Indistinguishable means all the particles are exactly identical. Okay. For example, electrons, photons, protons, they are all indistinguishable particle with respect to them. Next, so already I have given you two types of quantum statistics, Bose-Einstein statistics. Another one is Fermi-Dirac statistics. Two types of statistics are there. One is Bose-Einstein statistics. Another one is Fermi-Dirac statistics. So how these distribution of particles are considered in these two distribution functions? Let us consider one by one. Let us take BE statistics, Bose-Einstein statistics. In BE statistics, all states have equal probability in accordance with equal a priori postulate of probability. So all the states are equally probable. Okay. So there is no difference in the states, and there is no difference in the particles also. They are having equal probability. Probability of the state is exactly equal. Let us take GI be the number of microstates corresponding to energy EI. So let us take there are GI number of microstates for the energy EI. Okay, EI is the energy of the state, and within that energy, there are GI number of microstates. Different states are there. Okay, that means one can find different states with same energy. This is called the degeneracy. So this is going to be very important in quantum statistics. There is a concept of degeneracy. What do you mean by degeneracy? Degeneracy means the existence of different states with same energy. Okay, energy will be same, but they are in different states. Okay, for example, if you take the particle having the same velocity, two particles having the same velocity, one particle is in the lower state, another particle may be in the upper state, but they are having same energy. So same energy, but a different states. So this concept or this phenomena is called as degeneracy. This can be observed in quantum statistics. Degeneracy ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬರಬಹುದು ಅಂತ. That means degeneracy means the particles which are found in different states but having same energy. Energy will be same, but they will be in different states. Okay, so that is called as degeneracy. ಆ ತರ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಂತ. Then to determine the BE statistical probability. So probability, thermodynamic probability in BE statistics. What is the expression for that? Consider a distribution of Ni number of indistinguishable particles. Okay, Ni number of indistinguishable particles with energy EI occupied in GI number of states. So in a given energy EI, how many number of ways the particles can be distributed? Let us take Ni number of particles are there, GI number of states are there. Okay, GI number of states is there, Ni number of particles are there. First particle na distribute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So what are the conditions? Condition is there is no restriction on number of particles to occupy the given state. In a given state, any number of particles can be distributed. There is no restriction on number of particles. Just particle ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಇರಬಹುದು. Okay, there is no restriction on that. Next is consider an array consisting of Ni particles and GI states. Ni number of particles are there, GI number of states are there. The particles are represented by dots and states are represented by the vertical lines. So there are totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 symbols are there. Out of them, 5 are states. There are 5 states. Okay, and there are 10 particles are there. 10 particle ಇದೆ, 5 state ಇದೆ. So this is one type of distribution. So there is no restriction on number of particles. Then what will be the probability, thermodynamic probability? In the array, there are total Ni plus GI number of objects and can be arranged in number of ways. So these 15 objects can be arranged in number of ways. Different number of ways are there. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. In how many number of ways you can distribute them? Definitely, suppose the first state is kept fixed. Okay, first state, so lower state has to be kept fixed. Then remaining objects, that is Ni plus GI minus 1. So you have to explore the first state, because first state has to be lowest state. Ali particle first ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ, first state ಬರಬೇಕು. In that state, out of them Ni plus GI minus 1 objects can be arranged in Ni plus GI minus 1 of factorial ways. These are the number of ways in which these objects can be arranged, and this is in accordance with permutation. So let us take different case. Suppose there are n objects are there. You have to arrange in different ways. What are the number of ways? It is exactly n factorial. So you can arrange them in n factorial ways. Similarly, there are Ni plus GI minus 1 number of objects are there. they can be arranged in factorial of ni plus gi minus 1 ways. These are the different number of ways. Okay, so these are the different microstate they are possible. Okay, so in a B statistics, out of how many number of total microstates are possible? Since particles are indistinguishable, the ni factorial permutations among ni particles and gi minus 1 factorial permutation among gi minus 1 states give identical arrangements. Okay, so they are indistinguishable. Suppose there are 10 particles, you can put first particle in the first state or second particle in the first state. They are identical. You cannot distinguish them. That's why these number of permutations are identical arrangements. You have to divide them by total number of ways. Therefore, the different possible ways in which ni particles can be arranged in gi states is equal to sigma, that is omega I is equal to ni plus gi minus 1 factorial. These are the number of ways divided by identical ways. Identical ways will be ni factorial into gi minus 1 factorial, because particles are identical, states are identical. Okay, that's why you have to divide this total number of ways by ni factorial because of the identical particles, divided by gi minus 1 factorial. That will give you total number of possible ways in which the particles can be distributed in Maxwell-Boltzmann, Bose-Einstein statistics. Here, omega I is the thermodynamic probability of the ith energy state with energy EI. Okay, so this gives you the thermodynamic probability. So just I will give you an example to understand this thermodynamic probability properly. E formula, this formula holds good if particles are distributed in accordance with Bose-Einstein statistics. Adana prove madbeku. We have to prove this formula holds good. That is omega I is equal to ni plus gi minus 1 factorial divided by ni factorial into gi minus 1 factorial. This formula gives you the exact number of possible ways. So just I will take an example. Let us take an example of a system consisting of two particles. Two particles are there with 3 microstates are there. So n equal to 2, g equal to 3. So as an illustrative example, we will consider this system containing 2 particles and which contains 3 microstates. Okay. Now try to find the number of ways in which these particles can be distributed. So these particles have to be distributed in accordance with the distribution function, according to this Bose-Einstein distribution function. So in B statistics, particles of the systems are indistinguishable. All particles are identical. Also, any number of particles can be put in a given state. There is no restriction on number of particles in the state. So let us take 3 states as S1, S2, S3 are the available state, because we have considered the system with the 3 microstates. Let us take them as S1, S2, S3. They are the available states, and corresponding macrostates and microstates can be represented in the tabular form. I will show you that. Let A is the representation of particles of the system, as particles are indistinguishable. 2 particles are there, both are named as A and A because they are exactly identical. Okay. Now you find the number of ways in which particles are distributed. First possible macrostate, 2 particles in S1, no particles in S2 and S3. So A and A in S1, no particles in S2, S3. So in this particular arrangement, only one possible way is there. That is both the particles in S1, A and A. Second case, one particle in S1, another particle in S2, no particle in S3. A and A, one possible combination is there. Next possibility, both 2 particles are in S2, S1 and S3 are empty. So both A and A are in S2, one possible way. Okay, you can rearrange. Then rearrange one day possible way. Then one particle in S2, one particle in S3, A and A, one possibility. Then both the particles in S3, one possibility. Last combination is one particle in S1, one particle in S3. One possibility is there. Like this, you can arrange two particles, two particles in three states in a different way. How many number of ways you can distribute? Total, there are 6 different ways. Okay, there are 6 different ways of distribution. 6 different ways is there. 6 different combinations is there. So according to this, the thermodynamic probability of the system should be equal to 6. What do you mean by thermodynamic probability? It is the different possible number of ways in which the particles are distributed in a microstate. So only there are 6 possible ways. That's why thermodynamic probability in accordance with BE statistics should be equal to 6. Let us apply this formula. So therefore, total 6 different states are possible in accordance with BE statistics. Whether this formula gives you same value or not. What is the formula for thermodynamic distribution in BE statistics? That is obtained as omega is equal to n plus g minus 1 factorial divided by n factorial into g minus 1 factorial. I have removed I because this is a general formula. You can write it as ni plus gi minus 1 factorial, like that also. Okay. So this is giving you number of possible ways. This should give you 6. So what is the system we considered? We have considered the system of 2 particles, 3 states. So therefore, we have n equal to 2, g equal to 3. There are 2 particles, A and A, 3 states, S1, S2, S3. So therefore, you substitute here. So you will get n equal to 2, 2 plus 3 minus 1, okay, divided by 2 factorial into 3 minus 1 factorial. So you will get 3 plus 2 minus 1, it is 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay. So 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial cancelled. So 4 into 3 divided by 2. How much it is? It is exactly equal to 6. So this formula is exactly giving you number of possible ways in BE statistical distribution. That's why this formula is correct. This is the illustration. So there are total number of possibilities, omega equal to n plus g minus 1 factorial by n factorial into g minus 1 factorial. Okay. So this formula is going to be used in the derivation of Bose-Einstein statistical distribution function. Okay. So I hope you have understood this concept. Next, you will take Fermi-Dirac distribution function. How does it differ from Bose-Einstein distribution function? Let us see. So let us consider the Fermi-Dirac distribution function. Only thermodynamic probability ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ, different number of possible ways ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. So Fermi-Dirac statistics is a quantum statistics which satisfies the Pauli's exclusion principle. That is one more condition we have to put. Okay. Bose-Einstein statistics it is a quantum statistics, but it does not obey Pauli's exclusion principle. But Fermi-Dirac statistics obeys the Pauli's exclusion principle. So Pauli's exclusion principle does not allow 2 particles to occupy a single state. Pauli's exclusion principle does not allow 2 particles to occupy a single state. Okay. So in a given state, only 1 particle has to be occupied. One state only, 1 particle. You cannot put a number of particles in a single state. So there is a condition. In a given state, only 1 particle is allowed. 1 state only, 1 particle. That is Pauli's exclusion principle. No 2 electrons or no 2 particles can have same set of quantum numbers. It means that in a given state, only 1 particle is allowed. It allows only 1 particle to be in the given microstate, or it may remain empty. Only 2 possibilities. Either the state may be empty, or it can allow only 1 particle, but you cannot put put more than one particle in a given state. This condition has to be satisfied. If this condition is applied, what are the different number of ways in which the particles are distributed in FD statistics? Okay, again, in FD statistics, the distribution of indistinguishable particle has to be considered and non-interacting particles in a given number of energy state. So basically, this Fermi-Dirac statistics is applicable to indistinguishable particle. Just like in BE statistics, particle has to be indistinguishable. They are exactly identical. And those are non-interacting also. Let us find what are the different number of ways. The formula for different number of ways of distribution in Fermi-Dirac statistics, if there are number of possible different ways in which Ni particles are distributed in Gi microstates, is given by omega I is equal to Gi factorial by Ni factorial into Gi minus Ni factorial. This is the formula. Note the difference between Bose-Einstein and Fermi-Dirac statistics. This gives you number of possible ways in Fermi-Dirac statistics. What is the condition? In Fermi-Dirac statistics, particles are indistinguishable and one state contains only one particle. Okay, so these two conditions has to be applied. Next, consider a system containing two particles and with 3 microstates as in illustrative example. Okay, so let us check this formula whether this gives you the exact number of ways or not. According to this formula, the number of ways equal to Gi factorial by Ni factorial into Gi minus Ni factorial, where Gi is number of states, Ni is number of particles. So let us take system containing two particles and there are 3 microstates. Okay, same example. So let us take S1, S2, S3 be the available states and corresponding microstates, and microstates can be represented in the table. So there are S1, S2, S3. They are different states. Okay. Let A be the representation of the particle. Two particles are there. Both particles are A and A because they are indistinguishable. Okay. They are exactly same. First particle is A, second particle is also A only. So there is no difference between them. So let us apply this Fermi-Dirac statistical distribution, and this table shows different number of ways. First case, one particle in S1, another particle in S2. Third state is empty. Why we have to put only one particle in a given state? Because according to FD statistics, only one particle is allowed in a given state. Only one particle should be there. So that is how A and A in S1 and S2, S3 is empty. So one possibility is there. Second possibility, S2 and S3 are occupied. S1 is empty. A and A in S2 and S3 respectively, and one possible way is there. Third possibility, one particle in S1, second particle in S3. So one possible way is there. How many possible number of ways are there? Only 3 possible ways are there. Therefore, there are only 3 different microstates to distribute the particles according to Fermi-Dirac distribution function. Now let us check the formula. Okay, what was the formula? So 3 different ways are there, only 3 different ways. So it is represented in this particular table clearly. Next, in FD statistics, the different number of ways for the distribution of N particles in G number of states. What is the formula for FD statistical distribution function? It is omega is equal to G factorial by N factorial into G minus N factorial. Okay.
ಯಾಕ ಮಾಡ ಯಾಕ ಊದ್ಕ